Let's start with creating a circle. Also, make 2 duplicates. Change the color and the opacity on the both duplicates. Move the top to the right to make the overlapping section a nice crescent. Go to Path Difference to cut the shape. Make a duplicate by pressing Ctrl D. Change the color, rotate, and align with the bottom circle. Repeat the same process for all 4 crescents. Now we can delete the bottom circle. Now select the yellow shape and make a duplicate, while pressing the Shift key click on the green shape to select both items. Go to Path Difference to cut out the overlapping section. Again, go to Path Break Apart to separate all the times, while holding the Shift key click on the green shape we want to keep. When doing this Inkscape, create some small parts around the shape, so we need to delete those extra parts to make a clear shape. Press the Delete key to remove those. Repeat the same for the other 3 shapes. Now our basic shape is done. Now, select one shape, go to Path Effects, and search for Offset. Give a negative value to make it a bit smaller than the original size. Copy the item and paste the path effect on all other shapes. Now you can color it the way you want. I am going to apply some gradients to give it a 3D look.